What's the meaning of cloth cap? Cloth cap. Cloth cap.
Cloth cap. Cloth cap. A cloth cap is a type of headwear that was commonly worn by working-class men in the early 20th century. It was typically made from wool or tweed fabric and had a small brim. The cap became a symbol of the Labour Party in the United Kingdom, as it was often worn by trade unionists and socialists who supported the party's efforts to improve the welfare of workers. Today, the cloth cap is still worn by some as a fashion accessory or as part of traditional dress, but its association with the labor movement remains strong.